Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and this is day one of my friend Andy's and mine trip to Skye. What are you saying to it, Andy?
How do? Welcome back to his channel, by the way.
So day one so far, travelled from Edinburgh to Tyndrum. We're at Greenwelly just now. Decided to stop for some coffee and cake.
Not sure about the coffee. COVID was lovely.
COVID was lovely. Exquisite.
My compliments to the chef.
Yeah, so we're on our way now to Mallaig, and the plan is to
Via Fort William.
via Fort William, that's right. And the plan is to get a ferry
Yes.
from Mallaig to Armadale, and we'll be spending the night on Skye. Kyleakin, is it Kyleakin? I think it's something like that. It's spelled Kyleakin.
It looks like it anyway.
Right, let's get to it.
Adventure.
Let's adventure. That is quite cool. I like that. I never noticed that. I mean, I thought it was just a normal bridge, you know. Come on! Yay! Hello, we've got a ferry booked for, is it 4:30?
Okay, that's fine, guys. I'll put you down to front lane number 3. Have you got your tickets already?
No, we still need to collect them.
Put you down front lane number 3, and then you can, it's up to yourself. You can park your bikes here, get your tickets, and then go to front lane number 3, whatever you want.
We'll just go to the front and walk back. Okay. Thank you. We need to go and get tickets.
I've got,
have you got yours printed? Alright. Because I clicked, rather than printing it, I clicked collection here. Alright. So, are you staying here then, if you're not going
I'll look after the bikes.
in? Cool. Do you think it's happening?
I think it is. Actually, it's as bad as I thought it was going to be. It's going to be like...
It's pretty windy though. We'll see, fingers crossed. The sky's so close you can almost reach it. It's just there. It's just there.
If you miss the ferry, how far we've got to go to get round to it.
I know. I'd rather be seasick for an hour.
Just leave it here, Paul.
Shall we get on the poop deck?
I wonder who the singer is. Is there going to be a comedian on there?
See the onboard entertainment. It's a resident seagull.
Council pterodactyl.
Come on, Andy. You'll miss the ferry. Saved your seat. Andy, put your seatbelt on.
Hey, none supplied.
Yeah. Thank you. Not bad.
Hey?
Not bad. Yeah, could get used to it. Nice one. So this is our digs for tonight. The gaff, the square.
Lesson to self, climb the bed first.
And I'm real lucky because I got a better mattress than Andy.
You say that, you're right in the middle of the night.
Oh mate.
Ah, get away.
Right, this was supposed to be a camping trip. So what's going on? What's going on?
Oh no, the 10.
So yeah, camping trip. Kinda.
Yeah.
We couldn't find a campsite with free spaces
I think
anywhere on Skye.
I think we've done a lot with the tent.
Yeah, yeah. We got tents with us, so it's technically still a camping trip. We're just not sleeping in the tent. Hi guys, that concludes day one of the tour. We're gonna go and get something to eat now, and a compulsory pint or two, and we shall see you tomorrow. So for now, take care and ride safe. Andy, thumbs up!